Hi Vladimir, it's Zurab here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2009 BMW S800, which has 15,000 kilometers. We're selling it for just below $6,000. It's a $59.99 plus HST and licensing. Tire condition, like brand new. It is actually brand new. It has some extensions on the mirror to have a better view. This is a tinted visor. It's an aftermarket. This is a touring motorcycle, so it comes with the side stand and the center stand as well. Akrapovic carbon exhaust on it. It's the rear tire. It's a belt drive. Has this luggage racks. It does not come with the racks luggage itself, but it's ready for the bags. This is a surgeon seat, which is modified. It's great, comfortable seat. The tank pads are great for comfort. This is the battery lead to charge the battery. It has an ABS, has a heated grips as well. Here we go. Sounds very nice actually. The color is perfect, so the bike, as I mentioned, is in absolutely perfect condition. We did safety, we did even oil change on it too, so it's ready to go. You don't have to do anything to the motorcycle, just ride it. I sent you the Carfax as well, so there is no accidents, no liens. It has a Brembo brakes, and it's a parallel 2-cylinder, which is awesome. It has a decent power, and it's very comfortable. When you sit on it, you sit a little bit more upright, so it gives you lots of comfort. And at the same time, it has a full fairing, and the fairing is great on a higher speed because it has better aerodynamics. If you have any questions, please call me back. You can call me back at my cell phone, which is a 416-834-2757. This is the Pug windshield, by the way. Okay, thank you.